My name is Pranav.
My name is Panvit.
I am studying LKG. My school name is Sanford Amina High School, Chandapura.
With states and capitals.
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Deshpur, Bihar Patna, Chandigarh Raipur, Goa Panaji, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Haryana Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Jharkhand Ranchi, Karnataka Bengaluru, Kerala Tiruvantapura, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Maharashtra Mumbai, Manipur Impal, Meghalaya Surat, Mizoram Mysore, Nagaland Kohima, Orissa Bhubaneswar, Punjab Chandigarh, Rajasthan Jaipur, Sikkim Gangtok, Tamil Nadu Chennai, Telangana Hyderabad, Tripura Gandala, Uttarakhand Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, West Bengal Kolkata.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Manadi, Narmada, Berian, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kaliki.
National symbols.
National symbol: Father Pradesh, Mahatma Gandhiji. National anthem: Jana Gana Mana. National song: Vande Mataram. National emblem: Lion capital. National flag: Tricolour flag, central, white, green. National flower: lotus. National animal: tiger. National animal: dolphin. National bird: peacock. National fruit: mango. National vegetable: pumpkin. National language: Hindi. National calendar: Saka calendar. National book: Bhagavad Gita. National game: hockey. National tea: Banyan tea. National river: Ganga.
Neighbor countries of India.
Neighbor countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighbor state of Karnataka.
Neighbor states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
5 oceans.
5 ocean. India Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapith Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapith Awards winner from Karnataka. Guvempu, Dara Bendre, Shuram Karam, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Goka, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance from India.
Classical dance from India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha; Sataya, Assam; Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh; Dandiya, Gujarat; Yakshagana, Karnataka.
National festivals.
National Festivals. January 26th, Republic Day. August 15th, Independence Day. September 5th, Teachers Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14th, Children's Day.
7 wonders of world.
7 wonders of India:
Gompeshwar.
Gonteshwar in Karnataka; Kasman in Delhi; Anti Temple in Karnataka; Konark Temple in Odisha; Nalanda City in Bihar; Kajolo in Madhya Pradesh; Temple in Punjab.
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujnath Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi,
Morarji Desai.
Morarji Desai, Charan Singh,
Rajiv
Rajiv
Gandhi.
Gandhi,
Vishwanath Pratap
Vishwanath Pratap Singh,
Singh.
Chandrasekhar,
P.V.
Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.V. Devegowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat,
Manmohan
Mohammed
Singh.
Singh,
Narendra
Narendra
Modi.
Modi.
Chief Minister of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka: Channadadda Reddy, Chemanunataya, Kadidala Manjappa, S. Ninjalizappa, V.D. Jatti, S.R. Gandhi, Virendra Pratap, V. Dasa, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Reddy, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, Amimappa Mouli, H.D. Devegowda, J.H. Patel, S.N. Krishna, Darun Singh, D. Sananagowda, Jagdish Shettar, Siddaramaiah.
H.D.
Devegowda, B.S. Yadiyappa, Basavaraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Ogre, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Siddhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
President of India.
President of India. Rajendra Prasad, Radhakari Radhakrishna, Rakhi Gujar, Devi Giri, B.D. Jetty, S.R. Kanti,
Neelam Sanjay Reddy.
Hiran Saji Reddy, Shankar Daya Sharma,
K.R. Narayan.
K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramat Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts
Karnataka.
in Karnataka.
Bagalkot.
Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamrasnagar, Chikkalapur, Chikadurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadak, Hasar, Kaveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttarakhand, Vijaypur, Yadgiri.
7 colors in
Seven colors in
rainbow.
rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of
Names of
Rutus.
Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Chariga Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shashira Rutu.
Hindu lullabies.
Hindu, Nuranamas, Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshta, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwija, Kartika, Margashila, Pushya, Magha, Falguna. Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Mayavarma, Amagavasya, Radhakari Nayaka, Kittanari Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Chamaraja Odeya, Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women Freedom Fighters of India:
Durgabai Deshmukh.
Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safali, Suchitra Triparani, Kitturani Chennamma, Veladi Chennamma, Vanake Obava, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojani Naidu, Johnson Nadi Lakshmi.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Parsi.
10 Mukha Upanishad.
Tanmukhi Upanishad, Isavasha Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitanya Upanishad, Chaitanya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad. 18 Puranas: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Gavisha Purana, Padma Purana, Gaurna Purana, Vahana Purana, Agni Purana, Brahmanaga Purana, Skanda Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmanatha Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Brahmanaga Purana.
National
Most popular international airport: Indira Gandhi Airport in New Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bangalore.
9 Union Territories.
9 Union Territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Kaveri, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir.
Ladakh. 7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of world: Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal, Clifford Delade, Colosseum, Pestol Jordan, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Utta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhana dynasty.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to against exploitation, rights to freedom of culture and educational rights, rights to constitutional amendments.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Baba, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Mehana Saha, M. Shesharaya,
Satyanath
Satyanath
Bose.
Bose, Subramanya Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anuguletkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan Kabul, Argentina Buenos Aires, Australia Canberra, Austria Vienna, Bangladesh Dhaka, Belgium Brussels, Bhutan Thimphu, Brasilia, Bulgaria Sofia, Canada Ottawa, Chile Santiago, China Beijing, Colombia Bogota, Denmark Copenhagen, Dundee Public, Santo Domingo, Egypt Cairo, Finland Helsinki.
Genders.
Gender: masculine, female, boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, son, madam, papa, mama, uncle, auntie, gentleman, lady, husband, man, woman, sir, madam, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, lion, lioness.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ತೆ-
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು: ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಗಂಡು, ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಹುಡುಗ, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಮಗ, ಮಗಳು, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ವ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ಭ್ರಾತಾಶ್ರಯಿಣಿ, ಗಂಡ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಪುರುಷ, ಮಹಿಳೆ, ಸೋದರ, ಸರ್, ಮೇಡಮ್, ಬೋಳಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಳು, ಹುಂಜ, ಕೋಳಿ, ಗಂಡು ನಾಯಿ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನಾಯಿ, ಗಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಹ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.